brakes day. Oh, great fun. New brake pipes, new brake hoses, new calipers. Made hoses up. Oh god, it's a pain in the bum. And at last I've got my wide fives with the bolt and adapters on there, so I'm getting there. Did a bit more of the dashboard. Taped in there at the moment, gives you an idea. Clock's in there, I've got to make all the fill the holes. But yeah, it's getting there slowly. I'll sort out the windscreen, and then gonna put the wheels back on now. Oh, the wheels are massive. So yeah, a bit of fun. See how it goes.